to go play in that right now?
I know you should be outside. And you wanted to play basketball.
This is what we did. Oh,
And you wanted to play basketball.
I'm coming through. Come on, let me get out of Kayla's way. Y'all about to bust your asses.
I wish I could see how bad it really is coming down. It's going to do justice on the freaking camera. Look.
What? You want outside?
No, it's not that. You can't really tell when it's coming down more.
Right.
Oh, you okay, Pumpkin?
He's okay. He's not hurt.
It's raining.
I gotta move my stuff.
It's raining. It's raining.
I'm running.